left-hand side, Mr. Shrikant Villamakani, Group Chief Executive and Vice Chairman. On his left, we have Mr. Ashwat Bhatt, Chief Financial Officer. On our extreme right, we have Mr. Arjun Jani, Senior Manager Retail, Axis Capital Limited. I would like to call Arjun Jani for his opening remarks.
Introduce the management team that we have here today. Here we have Mr. Shrikant Villamakani, he is a co-founder and group CEO. Mr. Ashwat Bhatt, he is a CFO. Also, I would like to sincerely thank the entire Fractal team and their esteemed promoters for giving us the opportunity to be part of this. On behalf of Axis Capital Limited, Fractal Analytics Limited, I would like to welcome you all to the press conference for the upcoming IPO of Fractal Analytics Limited. Before we move forward, I would like to take this opportunity to shine the spotlight on the promoter and co-founder Mr. Shrikant Villamakani along with the entire management team and congratulate them for this milestone achievement. We at Axis Capital, BRLM to the IPO, are extremely honored to be associated with Fractal Analytics. Founded in the year 2000, Fractal is a globally recognized enterprise artificial intelligence company with a vision to power human decisions in their clients' enterprises by leveraging AI. Fractal is also India's leading pure-play enterprise data, analytics and AI company with capabilities across the value chain. With its client-centric approach, domain expertise across different industries and consistent technological innovations, Fractal is uniquely positioned in the industry and has been focusing on prioritizing their clients' success and creating long-term value for them till date. And I am pretty sure that they will continue to do so going forward as well. The IPO size is rupees 2,834 crore, comprising of fresh issue of rupees 1,024 crore and OFS of rupees 1,810 crore. Price band of the IPO is rupees 857 to 900 per equity share with bid lot of 16 equity shares and multiple thereof. Issue opens to public on Monday, 9 February 2026 and close on Wednesday, 11 February 2026 with anchor scheduled on Friday, 6 February 2026. We have received strong interest from the marquee institutional investor across the globe, which is a testament to the conviction the investors have in the organization, the management team, and its robust business model. With this, so now I would like to...
Let me start asking you a very important question. I'll test a little bit about your knowledge on this. Which do you think is the world's deadliest infectious disease? Is it COVID? Is it AIDS? Is it flu? Is it TB? What do you think is the world's deadliest infectious disease? Any guesses? Please guess, KG. TB, yes, that is right answer. Last 125 years, TB has killed more than 1 billion people, 100 crore people. And 1 in 7 people who have ever lived has died of TB. So the question we asked was, what if AI can stop it? Right? And this is what we did. We built a system called Cure.ai, spelled with QURE.ai. Now this is a camp that we're running in some parts of Africa. That laptop, there is a Cure laptop. They are getting their X-rays inside a van, and after that, that X-ray data goes to an AI algorithm that figures out if you have TB, and then they get into taking the drugs for curing TB. 5 things come up. Number 1, driving business growth. Every company wants to grow faster. This is the most important thing that changes the market cap of any company. Can growth? It's not yet happened because enterprise AI is much harder problem to solve than consumer AI. The consumer AI that you see. Not that it is impossible, it is happening, but it is taking off more slowly than consumer AI. Buy one, get one free, or 20% off, or if you buy 2. And inside the van, once the data comes into the computer, Cure's algorithms work on that computer and tell you whether they have TB or not. And earlier, what they used to do in the country of Philippines was to take these vans, go around the country, collect X-rays, and take it to a headquarters where the doctor will look at it. It would take 4 to 6 weeks in the process. Many patients would be lost to follow up because of that. So what we have done is to completely change that process and put this Cure algorithm, and it's saving a lot of lives. Now Cure has touched more than 40 million lives.
Composition of revenue, then talk about profitability, then talk about cash. So these are three things that I will cover. So if you look at the last 3-year growth, in fiscal 25 we had close to 26% growth at a group level, and first half of this year we had around 20%. So we've been growing quite rapidly. And some of you, if you are interested in our historical growth, you can always go and look at MCA, because we have been filing our consolidated annual financials for last 15 years plus. So we've been seeing a robust amount of growth, and we segment the business into 2 different segments that you can see here. One is called Fractal.ai and the other is called Fractal Alpha. And Fractal Alpha is still a very small number in terms of the overall percentage of revenue, but as you can see, it is growing quite rapidly. And in Fractal Alpha, we have 2 product businesses. One is called Asper.ai, that's a revenue growth management platform for all the CPG companies. So as a product company, it comes with pretty high gross margin, more or less close to 70%. And also it has been growing quite rapidly.
Also growing faster than most of them, so we're in the best spot right now. We would like to be India's answer to AI. We want to be most innovative AI company out of India. Why and how? On the GLM Family Trust, they were the angel investors, which is on the cap table. And that was about just 2 crores of capital, not a lot of money. And after that, till 2013, we did not raise any more capital. From 2000 to 2013, we were throughout profitable, growing, cash generating, everything. In 2013 is the first time we raised institutional capital. That was PA Associates. They're a Boston-based venture capital growth equity company. That was 2013. They left in 2019. In 2016, we raised from Khazana, which is a sovereign wealth fund of Malaysia. That was 2016. And in 2019, we had investment from Apex, which is a British private equity firm. And in 2022, we had investment from TPG, which is an American private equity firm. All of them are big, large firms. These are all the investors who invested in Fractal over the last